Hi there, Jeffrey Rhoades from Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, and Sheri and Richerson.com. Please subscribe. Hit that join button. Join our membership. Well, another fun-filled day at work. But at least I don't have to work tomorrow. They came along late and told assembly that they were going to have to come in tomorrow and work. But nobody said anything to me about it, so I don't have to work. But assembly lines are behind by quite a bit. The mill has been behind for a while and working lots of hours, so they were going to be coming in tomorrow anyways. They at least had a couple of days notice, unlike the assembly lines. Excuse me. Sorry. So, you know, I managed to get my stuff done. I didn't get done very early. I had quite a bit to do today. I had over 550 shelves, but I did fairly decent getting them done. Had some floors and backs. But I got stuff done for Monday. Didn't get set up completely the way I wanted to for Monday, but stuff is done. Sheri went to garden club today, and garden club with Marion. Okay, so she, I think she had some fun with it. So she's gonna start doing garden club again, and hopefully that will give her a little bit of stuff to do, outside the house, and something that she can enjoy. It's one of those days. It's finally Friday, so like I said, I don't have to work tomorrow. Got a lot of stuff that I need to do around here. It's currently raining. I'm hoping that it doesn't continue to rain all night and into tomorrow. But I think that was the forecast originally. I haven't checked it recently. But I'm hoping that, that it'll ease up and it'll dry up tomorrow. So I can get some stuff done. If not, there are a few things, some stuff that I can do in the house in the rain. I need to get started working on getting canning jars moved around. We don't have the shelving units that we want yet to put the canning jars on, but I can at least start doing some of it, getting it rearranged and getting stuff cleaned up and organized, and some of it down in the basement just not organized quite the way we want. I also have some electrical work that I need to do down in the basement yet, and so maybe I'll see what I can do about doing some of that. Part of it's figuring out some of the wiring down there and figuring out I need to get some more outlets down in the basement. Right now we pretty much only have, I think there's 2 outlets, and So I need some on the other side of the basement so that we can get some lighting down there. Because right now we only have one light, which during the daytime it's not too bad. We get some light down there through the windows, but at nighttime, only having one light, half of the basement is shadowed. So if I can get another outlet done up, get some lights hung up. I need to do the outlets for the sump pump, get those done up right. But, lots of stuff that can be done, even if it's raining. But I really want to get back out and do some more weed eating around the yard and get more of the yard cleaned up. It really needs it. And but I can't do that if it's raining, so. But anyways, I think that's going to do it tonight. I'm tired. So, once again, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. We'll see everybody tomorrow. Stay safe out there.